We continue with the topic series. This time around we'll be doing geometric series because in our previous video we did arithmetic series, so you can find it in this channel. So about the geometric series, it is also called geometric progression, and it is the series that is obtained by adding the terms of geometric sequence. Now we are going to introduce to you a formula whereby you can use them to find the sum of the first n terms of a geometric series with a common ratio. But now we'll start with the formula when r is greater than 1. When r is greater than 1, then the formula will be a into r raised to power n minus 1 into bracket over r minus 1. That one will help you to find the sum of the first n terms of a geometric series with common ratio, where the common ratio r is greater than 1. On the other part, the other formula is when r is less than 1. When r is less than 1, the formula is a into bracket 1 minus r raised to power n into bracket over 1 minus r, and that will help you to find the sum of the first n terms of the geometric series with a common ratio, and the common ratio is less than 1. You notice that r cannot be equal to 0, because if that happens, then we are not going to have a formula. So to find the sum of a finite geometric series, you need to know three things. We have the first term. We also need to know how many terms to add and the common ratio. So on the geometric series, the expression formed by adding the terms of a geometric sequence, of course, that is what we said on the definition. So we'll be finding the sum of the first n terms of a geometric sequence. So we use the formula to get the sum of the first n terms, then substitute n, a, and r values into the formula, simplify to find the sum of the n terms. So let's now look at an example. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric series. So the sequence is there. Now we are supposed to find the sum of the first 10 terms. So from the sequence, the first term is 4, that is t1, that is 4. Common ratio is 2, and 2 is greater than 1. So you now know which formula you are going to apply. So we have the terms, the sum of the 10 terms will be 4 multiplied by 2 raised to power 9, that is 2048. Of course, we are getting the sum of the 10 terms. Okay, we are getting the 10th term. Then from there, we will substitute to be able to get the sum. So with that, in the sum we now use a into 1 minus r raised to power n over 1 minus that. So if you work out that, then you'll be able to get 4092. The second example, find the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric series. So the formula, you use that, but you need to find, we have the first term to be 9, then r raised to power n. N of course is 10. So we have 1 minus that. So that one will give the sum of the number of terms to be the answer that we have there. Another example on the same. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric series. Remember the series, these series are different. So if you do the same, then you'll be getting the sum of n, that is the sum of the number of terms, which is 10, to be the answer that we have there. So as we finish, find the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric series. First 10 terms of the geometric series. So we have this. We have the first term to be 8. The ratio is 7, and it is raised to 10 because we are looking for the first 10 terms. Then we'll be able to get the answer by simplifying. So just the same way, even this will just use the same method. You'll be able to get the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric series given there.